Here is the new Mini O. EZVIZ Wi-Fi camera. HD resolution. Night vision up to 7.5 meters. Built-in two-way audio. Motion detection. Local recording on micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. Let's see what is inside the box. Mini O camera. Power adapter and cable. Quick start guide. Let's configure the camera. Connect the camera to the power outlet using the adapter and cable. When the camera is ready for setup, the LED indicator will flash red and blue color. Connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. Download and install EZVIZ app from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the app. Create or register your account following the wizard. To add the camera, tap Plus in the home page. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera or on the cover of the Quick Start Guide. Select device model and network. Enter your password to your Wi-Fi network. Place your smartphone next to the device and wait a few moments. The device is added. Select the correct time zone and date information. Click on View Device to complete configuration. Mini O is now functioning. Place the camera where it gives you a full room view. You can select and activate from the app alarm and sound notification and set motion detection sensitivity. Thanks to the two-way audio function, you can listen and speak. You just need to activate the microphone. Now you can control what is happening day and night directly from your EZVIZ app. In case of an alarm, you will receive real-time notifications on your smartphone. Mini O is ready to be used.